Welcome to BorderDrip USA, your go-to source for the latest and most accurate U.S. immigration updates. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 critical changes coming to the U.S. immigration system starting April 2025. These updates affect everyone, from green card applicants and visa seekers to those already living in the U.S. on temporary status. Let's dive into the major updates you need to know to protect your status, avoid delays, and prepare for what's ahead. 1. Final action dates now required for employment-based filings. One of the biggest changes is that USCIS will now only use the final action dates chart when processing employment-based green card applications. Previously, many applicants relied on the dates for filing chart to get a head start on their adjustment of status. That's no longer an option. Now, you must wait until your priority date is current under the final action dates chart. Only then can you submit your green card application. Example: if you're in the EB-2 category and your priority date is June 1st, 2023, but the current final action date is May 1st, 2023, you'll have to wait until the visa bulletin advances. This change is designed to reduce processing backlogs and ensure that USCIS only works on applications ready for final adjudication. 2. Mandatory registration for all non-U.S. citizens. Starting April 11, 2025, any non-U.S. citizen aged 14 or older who plans to live in the U.S. for more than 30 days must register with USCIS using Form G-325R. This form includes biometric data collection, like fingerprints, if not already taken during the visa process. Parents must register children under 14. Once a child turns 14, they'll need to re-register within 30 days. This rule affects both temporary visa holders and green card applicants. It's aimed at improving immigration oversight and national security through more accurate tracking of foreign nationals in the U.S. 3. Tighter vetting requirements for visas. Security just got tighter. Beginning in April, most visa applicants will now be required to provide 5 years of social media activity, 2 years of travel history, and proof of strong ties to your home country. These ties can include job letters, property deeds, bank accounts, or family relationships, especially important if you're applying for AB1/B2 tourist visa or F1 or M1 student visas. If you can't provide this history or proof of ties, your application might be delayed or worse, denied. Start gathering this documentation early. 4. Family-based green cards will continue using the dates for filing chart. Here's some good news. Family-sponsored green card applicants can still use the dates for filing chart, allowing them to submit applications earlier than employment-based applicants. For instance, if you're applying under the F2A category as the spouse of a U.S. green card holder, you can file your adjustment even if the final action date hasn't reached your priority date yet. This allows families to prepare documents, complete biometrics, and get ahead in the process while waiting for final approval. 5. EB-5 retrogression for China and India. The EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program is facing major delays. Starting April 2025, applicants from China and India will see severe retrogression in the unreserved visa category. The wait could now extend 2 years or more. This is due to extremely high demand and limited annual quotas. If you're affected, consult an immigration attorney to explore options, such as reserved visa set-asides, rural or high unemployment areas, or switching to another category. 6. EB-4 category temporarily unavailable. The EB-4 visa category, which includes religious workers and other special immigrant groups, has reached its annual limit. No new EB-4 visas will be issued between April and October 1st, 2025. This pause will affect thousands waiting in line. You may need to wait until the next fiscal year or consult legal experts about other immigration pathways if you're impacted. 7. New 10-day deadline for address changes. Here's a critical one, especially if you're moving soon. Starting April, all immigration applicants must report any address change within 10 days. This applies whether you're on a visa, applying for a green card, or have already been approved. You can report your new address online or by mail using Form AR-11. Failure to do so could delay your application, or worse, lead to missed notices and denials. 8. Barcode matching required for visa interviews. A small but significant update: the barcode on your DS-160 or DS-260 form must exactly match the barcode used when scheduling your visa interview. If they don't match, your appointment will be automatically denied, and you'll need to reschedule, wasting time and possibly money. Double-check your confirmation pages and appointment details to avoid this issue. 9. Tighter deadlines for document submissions. USCIS is now enforcing stricter submission timelines for supporting documents. All necessary documentation, like financial evidence, affidavits, or civil records, must be uploaded at least 72 hours before your scheduled interview. And once you upload, no edits are allowed. So be absolutely sure everything is complete and accurate. 10. Delays in asylum and refugee-based green card processing. Lastly, applicants in asylum or refugee-based green card categories may face longer or indefinite delays due to increased vetting. If your case is flagged for additional background checks, you may be asked for more documents or interviews, which could extend your wait significantly. Final thoughts. These April 2025 immigration changes represent a new era of stricter vetting, tighter timelines, and more digital compliance. To succeed in your immigration journey, stay informed, stay organized, and when needed, work with a qualified immigration attorney. If you found this video helpful, tap like, subscribe to BorderDrip USA, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.